In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intro video with Clipchamp. If you're looking to make your videos more engaging right from the start, having a distinct and polished intro is a step in the right direction. Whether it's for your YouTube channel, business presentations, or social media, a well-crafted intro sets the tone and draws viewers in. First, let's head over to clipchamp.com using your web browser of choice. The site is designed with user friendliness in mind, making video creation accessible to everyone no matter your skill level. Once there, you'll want to sign in. Don't worry if you're not already signed up, it's quick and easy. Simply click on the sign in button and proceed by selecting Continue with Microsoft. This method is helpful because it integrates seamlessly and saves you the trouble of creating yet another new login. After you've signed in, choose your Microsoft account to enter the Clipchamp dashboard, which is essentially your digital workspace for creating and editing videos. It's from here that you start your creative process. Look for and click the option that says Create a new video. By now you should feel a bit more comfortable navigating the interface. The next step is to import your media. Think about the materials you'll want to include, images, video clips, or any specific logos or graphics that define your brand. You can accomplish this by hitting Import Media. Once your files are uploaded, it's time to bring them to life by dragging and dropping them onto the timeline. The timeline is where the magic begins. It allows you to sequence your video clips and make precise edits. A dynamic intro often includes text and music. Clipchamp makes this effortless. If you'd like to add text, go to the text menu to explore various font styles to see what matches your video's theme best. Don't forget to add an auditory appeal. Head over to the content library to select some intro music that complements your visuals. Make sure to take your time as you adjust and edit these elements until you achieve the desired look and feel of your intro video. But if you're running short on time, Clipchamp offers a range of templates designed to streamline the creation process. Simply navigate to the template section, search for intro videos, and select one that resonates with you. Once you've made your selection, drag and drop it onto the timeline just like before. Templates can be edited, so be sure to tweak them to best suit your vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your intro video looks, click on Export to save your creation. Exporting gets your video ready to share with your audience on the platform of your choice. And there you have it. Creating an intro video with Clipchamp can be both an enjoyable and rewarding experience. By following these steps, you ensure that your videos will kick off with a professional and engaging introduction, leaving a lasting impression on your viewers.